My name is Vishu Garg. I am pursuing electrical and electronics engineering at Delhi Technological University. First of all, I would like to thank my friends at Placement Board for giving me an opportunity to share my interview experience with all of you. I am currently placed at L&T Construction. Hope this video of mine help all the aspirants who are targeting L&T as their dream company. So about L&T, L&T is among the top 10 construction companies of India. It is headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It has established its roots in different parts like engineering, construction, finance, information and technologies. So it has different ICs operating all over the India. L&T Construction has undertaken various projects like Delhi Metro project, Indira Gandhi International Airport projects. So it's always a challenge to work with L&T. L&T visited a campus in the first week of September. It came to hire the students from electrical, mechanical and civil background. The shortlisting was done on the basis of percentage with a minimum criteria of 70%. The placement procedure consisted of 2 rounds. First was a written round and second was the interview round. So the first round was an online written test. It had 2 sections in it. First was the basic numerical ability and the second was basic verbal ability. The level of the questions in both the sections was quite easy. There were almost 45 questions in each section and you can practice such questions from indiabix.com and Arun Sharma. Around 30 students from each branch sat in this round. So after the written round, almost 28 students out of 30 were selected for the interview round. The PI round which I went through was a combination of both HR and technical round. It was taken by a single interviewer. The interviewer first of all asked me about the basic HR questions like why do you want to join L&T, where did you first heard about L&T, did you attended the PPT well. He also asked me whether you will be able to work anywhere in India if L&T hired you. So in these questions you have to basically express yourself to the fullest and show the interviewer that you will be joining the company. So after the HR round, the same person asked few technical questions. He asked me about the projects which I had undertaken in 3 years. Both the projects were basically in MATLAB. So he asked few questions about the MATLAB, like how simulation is done in MATLAB, how block diagrams are created in MATLAB. Then he shifted his focus to the internships. I did one of my internship at substation in NDPL. So he asked basic power system questions like SLDs. He asked me to explain the SLD of the substation. He asked about the transmission lines and the basic power scenario in Delhi. So after this, he asked questions from electrical machines. He asked about the starting of induction motor, working of electrical transformer, difference between DC motor and DC generator. My interview overall went well and I was confident about my selection. So I would say study the basics of electrical machines and power system well. I think the books like Ashfaq Hussain and DP Kothari would do that. And don't panic about the interview. There may be students who may be knowing more than you or less than you, but there are quite fair chances for your selection. So friends, if you have any queries, comment below. I would be quite happy to clear all your doubts. Do subscribe to the channel Placement Board. These guys are doing quite well.